A year ago, Perplexity looked like one of the most dangerous new players in artificial intelligence. Fast, clean, and built around real-time answers instead of traditional search links. Many people even started calling it a Google killer. Investors noticed, too. Billions of dollars began flowing into, and Perplexity suddenly found itself competing in a space dominated by some of the richest tech giants in history. But did Perplexity already lose the AI war before it truly began? To answer that, you have to understand what the AI war actually is, and this is where things get complicated for Perplexity. Perplexity's product is impressive. It built a fast, AI-powered answer engine that feels more conversational than traditional search. Instead of showing a list of links, it tries to deliver direct answers. For users tired of scrolling through websites filled with ads, this approach feels refreshing. But building a smart interface is only one part of the race. Behind every advanced AI system is a massive amount of computing power. Training large AI models can cost tens or even hundreds of millions of dollars. Running them daily for millions of users requires huge data centers filled with specialized chips. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft are investing tens of billions into this infrastructure. Microsoft alone has committed over $10 billion to its partnership with OpenAI. Google continues to spend heavily on AI research and data centers. NVIDIA, the company supplying most advanced AI chips, has seen its valuation surge past $1 trillion because demand for AI computing keeps rising. Compared to that scale, Perplexity is operating in a very different league. Reports suggest Perplexity has raised hundreds of millions in funding, which is impressive for a startup. But when competitors are spending tens of billions, the gap becomes clear. Another challenge is distribution. Google controls the world's most used search engine, handling billions of queries every day. Microsoft has integrated AI deeply into Windows, Office, and its Bing search ecosystem. OpenAI's tools are embedded across multiple platforms. Apple is gradually introducing AI features across its devices. Perplexity, on the other hand, still depends largely on users choosing to visit its platform directly. That's a much harder path. History shows that even superior technology can struggle if it lacks distribution. Many great products fail not because they're bad, but because they can't reach enough users. There's also the question of data. Large AI systems improve by learning from vast amounts of information and user interaction. Companies with billions of users have a natural advantage. Every search query, every interaction, and every correction helps refine their models. This feedback loop becomes a powerful engine for improvement. Perplexity has data, but nowhere near the scale of companies that already serve billions of users daily. So does that mean Perplexity has already lost? Not necessarily. The AI war is still in its early stages, and innovation can come from unexpected places. Smaller companies often move faster, experiment more freely, and take risks that larger corporations avoid. Perplexity's focus on delivering clear, source-backed answers has earned it a loyal user base. Many professionals, researchers, and tech enthusiasts appreciate its approach, but survival in the AI era requires more than a great product. It requires sustained investment, strategic partnerships, and a clear path to long-term growth. The most likely future isn't one where Perplexity dominates the entire AI landscape. Instead, it may carve out a strong niche, a specialized platform valued for accuracy and clarity, rather than mass-market dominance. Meanwhile, the larger battle continues between tech giants with enormous resources. Companies are building massive AI data centers, designing custom chips, and integrating AI into every digital product. This isn't a short-term competition. It's a long-term transformation of how information is accessed and used. So the question is whether the AI war can even be won by a single company. Artificial intelligence is becoming too big, too expensive, and too integrated into global infrastructure for one winner to take all. Instead, we may see an ecosystem where a few dominant players control the core infrastructure, while smaller innovators compete in specialized areas. Perplexity may not control the entire AI future, but it doesn't necessarily need to. In a world where artificial intelligence is reshaping how humans search, learn, and work, even a focused role can be powerful. The companies that survive won't just be the biggest. They'll be the ones that find a sustainable place in a rapidly evolving landscape. The AI war is far from over, but it's already clear that winning it will require more than just building a smart product.